Hello guys, welcome to this new video. So in our last video, we have seen things. First one, what are the different types of charts which are available in the Tableau, how to install Tableau and how to load the data in Tableau. So in this video, we are going to solve one question. Question is the data which we have loaded previously. Okay, in that we have to find out one top representative based on total sales volume and every region. This question looks complicated, but it is very easy and we can solve the question within fraction of second with the help of Tableau. So I'll show you. Just remember the question is we have to find out representative in each and every region based on their total sales. Okay. So the data we have already loaded. We will move to our sheet one. Okay. Now first let's say who are the representative. Let's check who all are the representative. So I'll just drag the representative in columns. Okay, these are the representatives. Now let's check how many units they have sold in each and every region. So the Tableau has already created the graph. It is very smart. See, for each and every representative, we have number of units sold. So for Alex 281, Bill 213, James 142, Matthew 193, then Morgan 173, Nick 125, Rachel 183, similarly Richard 396, and so on. But we want to classify them region-wise. Okay? If you want to see the data in the column table, you can see how to classify them in the form of in the groups of region. So for that, we are going what we will do. Let's say representative column some of units sold here. Okay, now we want to group this representative in region. So let's see, for each and every representative, we have a region also mentioned. So for Alex, it is central region and the total sales is 281. But it is not looking that good, right? Because see, first it is dividing the data into representative, okay, and then it is classifying region. So what we do first divide the data into region, okay, and then representative. And the column is showing total number of units sold by each and every representative in each and every region. So now see, first the data is divided into region, that is three regions: central, east, and west. Then each and every region is broken into representative. So for central, we have six representative: Alex, Bill, Matthew, Morgan, Rachel, Smith. Similarly, for east, we have three: Nick, Richard, and Susan. And for west, we have James and Thomas. But the data is showing perfectly that for central, the total number of units sold is highest for Alex. Similarly, for east, the total units sold is highest for Richard, and for west, it is higher for James. The first. But is this the answer of our question? No. We have to find out representative in each region based on their total sales. So for that, you have to find out total sales. Correct. You're getting my point, right? So what we do, we will just create a new measure to find out total sales of each and every individual. So in the measure section, just right click and create, sorry, we click on create calculated field, and the name of the field will be total sales. So now we have to write down the formula of finding out the total sales. So what will be the formula? The formula will be units multiplied by unit sold or unit price. Okay. So this will give the sales value for each and every representative. Okay. So just click on okay. have already calculated the total sales, so that's why it is not breaking. So with this help of same formula, units and unit price, you can do this. Okay. So I'll just open this one. See, total sales, unit price multiplied by units. Now, how to judge the formula? See, we can see our data. Just click on view data. Okay. So now see what it will be the total sales value. It is nothing but unit price multiplied by unit, right? How many unit they have sold and what is the cost of one unit will give the sales value. So similarly, we have just figure out the formula. We have created a new measure which is total sales. Now pay instead of sum of unit, we will use total sales. Now the condition is totally different. See, previously Alex was the highest, but this time Matthew is highest because the sales value for Matthew is higher than Alex, right? Similarly, for each region, Richard was highest, but in the previous, in the terms of total sales value, the revenue generated, Susan is the highest, and similarly here James is the highest in this region. So now, right now also this particular data is not looking good because it is not arranged in any sorted manner, right? So for arranging the data in either ascending or descending order, what you can do, you can use this particular button. If you click on this button, see first highest value and then decreasing value. Or if you click one more time, first lowest value and then increasing value. This looks good. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve the questions with the help of Tableau. Then fraction of second. See what we have done. I'll just summarize. Okay. The question was you have the representative in each and every region based on total sales. So the first thing will be we will create a measure of a total, which is nothing but units multiplied by price. It will give the sales. Okay. Now we will drag this total sales to. Okay. Now the next thing is we have to find out the representative of each and every region. So first we will drag region in the column. Good. Now, for each and every region, we have to find out the highest representative with highest number of total sales. Okay, so we will just type representative. We got the data. Okay, and the problem is solved. So the answer will be for central region, Matthew. For east region, Susan, and for west region, James. This is done. Thank you for joining with me in this video. We will meet in the next video with new questions and we will